Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Oops. Today we are at PFAFF, BMW, Porsche, VW, Audi dealership. Check this out. We're gonna take a nice walk around and check out what's over here. Oh my gosh, you know I am in love. This is definitely my scene. Ooh, that's sick. But that is crazy. Look at that. Oh, GT. Alright, you guys, let's walk around, check the scene. It's a pretty small environment, but it's really, really nice. Is that 997? Oh, that's crazy. 996. Oh, this is crazy. Nice, nice. 997 turbo. Oh, 996. Sorry. This is beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Yo, I'm in heaven right now. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, I'm gravitating to the 996s because I want one of these really bad. These are sick. I want one. I want one. Nice color. Nice wheels. Lower this bad boy. Ooh, y'all ain't gonna talk to me because look at that one right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, like I said, guys, it's gonna be a really, really, really quick walk, quick view, walk around. This one here is crazy. Yeah, damn. That's beautiful. Let me check out this blue 996. This is what my bro wants right here. This is my bro right here. I'll see you in this one right here, bro. Help me out, guys. I'm not really too. This is the .2, right? I believe. Yeah. Sexy. Part next to the 996. I love this one right here too. This is the turbo. I believe, yeah, this is the turbo. Sometimes I think the turbos come all-wheel drive. I'm not too sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, chat. But I believe those come turbo. I really love the 996, man. I don't care what anybody says. People call it the ugly duckling of the Porsches, but nah. It's a gem to me. I love that thing. Got the new one right here. Oh, that one's nasty. That one's sick. I like his setup. Wow. And of course, the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. Oh, oh. Good morning. Beamer's clean. I'm gonna get you what day? 996? Yeah, this is the older version. I'll still get this one right here too.
I'm in blonde, so it's kind of like
It's easier being up. Make it inconvenient.
You know what? When you go inside this shop, like, check out the shop, see what's going on.
2 front plate tickets is as bad as a speeding ticket.
This is clean too. Man, they're all clean. I'm just in love. I'm just in love. I'm in GTS. Sick. Convertible.
I would watch that shit, bro. Oh, no badge. So controversial.
What's up, man? I'm good. Let's check out inside. First time being in here. Oh my goodness. Let's go see what's happening. Oh, wow. Morning. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna ask this guy some questions. Hold on. Excuse me, sir. Obviously you work here, right?
What can I help you with?
I have a YouTube channel. Was it possible you could like just explain this beautiful spot.
Sure.
My name is Nathaniel. Pristine Works.
Dave, how are you?
Dave, nice to meet you, man.
I'll take you for a quick tour. How's that?
Oh, beautiful. You guys hear that? I love that idea.
How are you, buddy? You've been in here before, right?
This is a beautiful spot, man. I'm in love with Porsches, especially the 996. I love those things.
Yeah, the old ones are really nice.
Really nice. But it's like you can't compare them to the new GT3. That thing is just bonkers, you know.
It's pretty crazy. I'll show you the next one outside too.
It's
So this is where you really come up and you take a look at the shop, right?
How do you work here? This is so distracting right now, man.
So the layout we have a drive-through. Basically, every car comes in through it. It's going to go into one of the detail bays and get pre-washed. They come into what we call a repair planning base. So this is where a car is completely disassembled. They do research on all the repair procedures, all that, and get it ready for the technician.
Sweet.
Cards are assigned. They're all disassembled. They go through a pre-scan, so the mechanics will take a look at them. They may go for a wheel alignment.
Wheel alignment and stuff,
I have
right?
2 full-time mechanics on staff. We do all of our in-house calibrations, mechanical work in-house. We have
Nice.
an aluminum room where all the aluminum repairs are done.
Over there.
Separated
Sweet.
so we don't get cross-contamination.
Cross-contamination,
between the two metals,
yeah,
right?
yeah. This is a beautiful shop, man.
So,
Oh my
in
goodness.
the center is where the body techs work.
Okay.
So once all the parts are received, car will come in for the repairs. We have frame bays over on the other side. We usually fixture almost every vehicle.
Like right over there in the corner, right?
Right side
On the
here.
right side?
So we're that VAS.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche.
Volkswagen, Audi.
Certified repairs as well as BMW, Tesla.
You do Teslas too?
We do Teslas as well. VinFast, Rivian, we're all certified with a lot of manufacturers. So I have 2 prep teams and 2 painters. So they mirror each other on each side. In the center is 2 spray booths. On the outside is 3 prep decks
Nice.
where they do the priming and final
Right over there,
sanding.
1, 2, 1, 2,
And then
3.
vehicles go through to the other side. They're reassembled, polished, and then back in through detail into a final
Into the
QC.
final. So this would be like the final stage right around
Basically,
here.
one laneway going in, one laneway going out for the final
Final
QC.
Final route. Does anyone like kind of like do you like go down and like check everything out before it leaves?
So there's about 5 verification points where we do it. 1 after repair planning.
Yeah.
1 at the point of the repair completed over to the paint department. After painted, and then after assembly, and then a final QC once it's all done.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Distractions, man.
No.
Distractions. These things are gorgeous.
We're the only McLaren certified facility in Canada.
Oh, sweet.
So
As you guys
very
can see, the
most of
McLaren in
McLarens
here.
come in here. We've got 2 of them in right now.
I see one over in the
yeah.
far corner.
760 or 720S.
What is, I guess, the craziest car you've worked in here outside the GT3?
I have a one of 9 GT3 RSs by
RS?
Motorsports. It's actually here in the back.
Really?
Look at that. This car is a beautiful car to have in here. This is the
Gorgeous.
first car I've had.
Oh, this one right here.
Yeah, so
the
this
car.
is the 911 car, right?
The car,
so
yeah.
It's the kind of
Off-roaded one.
911.
Usually it's like it has the delivery on it usually, right?
Yeah,
This-
it'll have the Rothmans delivery, right?
Oh, no way. Yeah, this is very interesting right here, bro.
Yeah.
Have you ever driven one off-road yet?
No, I went down to the BMW training where they do that. So
Oh,
this
sweet.
Is, the aluminum room and this is what they call a fixtured bench. So when we're doing any sort of structural repair, as long as Porsche calls for it,
Right there,
it
right?
actually goes on to a fixtured bench, holds the whole car in place while you're putting in.
While you put it in, like, let's say your
So
angles
this
and
is all
stuff.
aluminum welded, bonded, and then riveted as well.
Wow. So yeah, come here and it's 100% done. Look down to the bare shell.
Yeah, they
Literally.
really do. We follow pretty well all OEM procedures, right?
I mean, with a beautiful building like this, you don't want no shortcuts, you know? Especially when it comes to these cars.
It takes
Like,
long, it's very expensive.
But it's worth it.
The training, well, you know, I always look at this thing, you know, if you want, some of these cars go, you know, 300-400 kilometers an hour,
Yeah,
you know, do you
yeah.
want them safe or not, right?
yeah.
So,
And you don't want people to actually come back and be like, oh, I got it from here. You know, that's gonna be horrible.
100%.
Ooh. This is factory paint or this is a wrap?
That's
This
a
is
wrap.
factory. This is a
So
wrap.
this
Eh?
is
Oh.
a wrap. The wrap actually damaged some of the paint, so we're redoing the paintwork.
Oh, okay.
This is
Ooh,
an
this
older
is
restoration.
gorgeous.
This is a 72 that was restored at our other location about 15 years ago.
Oh wow.
And now it's just in for some little
Just like touch-ups and stuff, right?
touch-up work. So.
Buddy, your work is immaculate, man. Very pristine.
Yeah.
Everything
So
just
all the
up there
parts
too.
are assigned to cars. Our parts department kind of manages all the parts throughout. We have anywhere from 140 to 200 cars on the property in the repair
wow.
process at any time. Plus cars that we pre-ordered the parts for.
So like it's always something's always going on around here.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
That's a good thing. You don't want
We
nothing.
do special projects, completes. This guy's just getting a repaint. We have what we call our express lane where we do all in-house glass as well. And
You
then
do
the rest is
everything here, man.
Yeah, we try.
This
to.
is
We try
literally
to
like almost a
one-stop shop.
one-stop shop. Yeah.
We don't do service. We want the dealerships to do the service. We support them that way. They support us with this work.
Cool.
So they'll do a little bit of for us. They do some of the calibrations that we can't get to, but 9 times out of 10 we do most of it in-house. So.
That's sweet. You know what? It's best doing it in-house, right? It's peace of mind,
Well,
I guess.
it's also timing, right? So trying to get cars into dealerships, trying to take this car with no parts on it to a dealership, anything like that would be hard.
Yeah.
So this is the one of 9 that's just getting his kit done. It's getting wheels painted. She's a pretty special car.
Very.
So that
Oh
Motorsports
my.
has these all done, and this one has got a special kit on it as well.
It's not the Manti kit, right?
It's the Manti kit.
Yeah, I don't know about the Manti. That's up there.
Yeah,
With
yeah,
very,
so,
very, very
yeah,
special.
you know what I mean? So it's got the Manti kit on it with the
With
carbon fiber red,
Ooh, wee.
right? So the roof's carbon
The
fiber.
roof's
hood's
carbon fiber
all of
hood,
it, so-
vents.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not one to play with.
Vehicles are reassembled back here, put in storage for the ones that can't go outside. And lots of fun with this stuff.
You know what? This is amazing, man. This is like every kid's dream if you're in love with Porsches, McLarens,
It's a
Beamers.
nice place to come and work.
Like I said, your office is just a distraction, man.
Yeah.
But it's so nice. The layout is beautiful, buddy.
Yeah, so it's a beautiful shop. Nice place to work, and we do phenomenal work. So.
I mean,
So it was
you
great to
keep
meet
the.
you, man.
Very
I hope
nice
that
to
was
meet
good
you
for
once
man.
again, Nathaniel. It was perfect for me. I appreciate that.
No
Sorry to
problem.
take you away from your
No worries,
your
man.
business,
Just gotta
man.
Stay around and look at it.
All right. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate you. You'll see me again, even if I'm wandering around.
No problem, Daniel. Take a look at everything.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Just an exclusive, you guys. That was amazing. Dave, right? Dave. Shout out to Dave from Porsche. He's one of the head guys here, head honcho. Hopefully, I'll get into contact with him. I stay in contact with him because that would be an amazing thing. You know what I mean? An amazing little plug. But let's take a quick walk around too. As you guys see, he had the Manti Porsche over in the back tucked. This facility is gorgeous for real. Detail booths. Wow. They really do some work on it. This is a beautiful color. I like this color. Yeah, I swear this is the only electric car. If I were to go electric, this is the only one I'm buying. This looks so good. Elon. Laughing at you. The X right there. Let's check out this McLaren if we can, because this is pretty dope. Never really see a McLaren taken apart like this. You gotta be very careful stepping around. And, I'm not even gonna go all the way in because I don't want to damage nothing. I ain't got the cash for that. Hell nah. Oh shit. Oh, one day, I'm going to be here. One day. This is gorge. Looks like he's doing some work. And then you just have this beautiful thing. So gorgeous. But yeah, out here in Markham, this is what it is. This is sexy, bro. Oh my gosh. Exclusive Manti one in the back. That was nasty. Got the car over there, if that's how you say it, forgot. Once again, Dave, thank you very much, man. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you. That's pretty much it. But like I said, gorgeous. This is just I'm in love with this thing. This is gorgeous too. I love that. Yo, check this out, bro. This is me and you. 966 and 997. I said 966. I'm an idiot. Ooh, yep. Me and you, bro. Right, you got the center locks on there. It's nuts. Got the center on there. It's crazy. Oh, listen to this glorious music coming in. Oh, not even coming in. Oh, he is coming in. RS. Wow. Yeah, you guys already know, chat. Well, I'm in love with that. But this right here is crazy, dude. I love this right-hand drive. Sick. This is sick. Up garage. Yeah, this is pretty sick. Not pretty, really sick, because I want one of these bad. I want a lot of things. I really do. That GT3 sounds sick, though. RS, wicked. But yeah, that's it, chat. A quick video for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, do all that jazz. Right, I appreciate you guys so much. Those of you guys that subscribed already, I appreciate you guys. I want to try to do some merch. Maybe do like license plate frames. Yeah, I'm thinking about license plate frames. Something small, simple. But let me know. Would you guys buy some? Let me know. Holla at your boy. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.